There's a live look out of Virginia, and look at this snow piling up. This is also some effects from Sandy across southwestern Virginia there. So again, rain, wind, storm surge, and snow. This storm has had a little bit of everything.
My goodness. It's just like when you think you're out in the dark, you got more to deal with. Stay tuned to ABC throughout the morning for continuing coverage of now Tropical Storm Sandy. There's a special edition of Good Morning America right after ABC 57 Morning News. They'll have teams fanned out all across the storm zone, bringing you a first-hand look at the damage along the East Coast.
And today, the day of the greatest impact from Sandy, or what's left of Sandy, here across Michiana.
You said we'll be dealing with a lot of heavy winds. I've got to tell you, this morning, around 2 o'clock or so, I just heard the wind banging on my windows. Many of you might have been awakened by it this morning as well.
You might still be hearing it now, because the wind is howling and will be strengthening across Michiana. Here's what we're preparing you for. Again, today is the windy day. Wind advisory for most of Michiana. This is through 8 o'clock this evening. Gusts up to 50 miles per hour. High wind warning Berry and LaPorte County and along the southern lakeshore, because gusts up to 60 miles per hour. We can see waves as high as 20 feet or even a little more on Lake Michigan. Wind speed is steady out of the north, 20 to 30 miles per hour right now. We've seen gusts as high as 45, close to 50 miles per hour already. Here's forecast track. We're tracking the wind. Watch as the wind speeds increase. The numbers continue to go up through noon today and pretty much hold steady through this afternoon. So this is the peak wind pretty much over the next 12 hours from around this morning through around 5 o'clock in the evening. After that, through 10 o'clock tonight, the numbers start to go down, meaning the wind will start to weaken and relax as we go into Wednesday. It's still going to be breezy tomorrow morning with winds up to around 25 miles per hour and then slowly decreasing 15 to 20 miles per hour as we go into the afternoon on Wednesday. ABC 57 first warning live operator. On top of that, we're now tracking rain. We've seen a little bit of mix maybe across our far eastern counties, but this is mostly just rain. St. Joe, Niles, South Bend to Lakeville as it continues to fall this morning. Generally light rainfall across the area. As we back things out, you can see this line pretty much right down the US 31 corridor. Has not moved into our western counties, and it's a very slow progression. We'll put things into motion. Again, we'll show you how this has slowly been creeping towards the east, and we've seen a little bit of maybe a little light mix in there for a little bit this morning, but this is mostly just some light rainfall, but you may see a little sleet mixed in with that rain. Here's forecast track timing it out for you. 7 a.m. we bring those showers in. They're going to be scattered across the area. This is through noon today and even into the afternoon. We're still tracking at least areas of scattered rainfall through 5 o'clock and then on into the evening. Clouds will not be breaking, and again, expect to see at least a little bit of light rain. It's not a heavy rain, and it's mostly just blown around and may sting a little bit if it hits your face just because of that strong wind. As we go through early morning on Wednesday, still going to see that chance for rain in there. Not seeing this break up that much even through the mid-morning and early afternoon on Wednesday. We'll slowly see this decrease. We may see a break just in time for trick-or-treating on Wednesday evening for Halloween, but still expect at least some breezy and cool weather. But all this does wrap up by early Thursday morning. Today's forecast, scattered rain showers with the possibility of a little mix across our eastern counties. Nothing really accumulating, but highs will be in the 40s most of the day. For tonight, lows in the upper 30s, scattered rain, and staying cool really through midweek. Your ABC 57 first warning 7-day forecast, 46 on Wednesday, breezy, 48 on Thursday, 50 on Friday, and 52 on Saturday. We see a little warm up into the weekend, so some nicer weather just in time for game day, and looking to stay in the low 50s through next week. Of course, this is an ABC 57 first warning weather alert day. Stay with us on air and online through 8 o'clock this evening as we track the strong wind and impacts from Sandy across Michiana.
Thanks for that, Tom. Your time.